full house. That's right. I'm going to start. Excuse me. My name is Javed. I'm going to introduce myself slightly later on. But welcome to this workshop. Now, how many people have heard the word TRIZ? T-R-I-Z. No? TRIZ? Sorry? No, it's not. It's called the theory of invented problem solving. It's a Russian methodology, which has been run for the last 70 years. Okay? So that's the new method that has come into the West now. And I'll give you more detail into that. And what we have done is we've taken the Russian methodology and combined it with the Western methodology. And that's why it's called systematic innovation. So systematic innovation is a 21st century successor of TRIZ. Okay? So we're going to look at how you can problem solve, how you can come up with new ideas, new concept, and the systematic scientific. That's the whole thing. Mind if you speak up? Good. On the left. Okay. We started with Mike. Okay, I'll do that. So, all right. So that's the topic today. The 21st century of science, invented problem solving, and systematic applied to startup management. How you can validate your ideas, as you were saying, right? So we've got a base level over here. The idea is good, or idea is not bad. No, somebody comes, oh, it's very good. No, I want, I don't want a gut feel. I want to substantiate that gut feel. Okay, that's from that perspective. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Right. Now, I'm associated with Systematic Innovation, which is a UK-based company, and these are our worldwide clients. We've got clients in 40 countries. We've helped them increase their revenue by 5 billion, helped them decrease the cost by 4 million. We've got more than 250 patents under our name. We apply patent strategies. We know that, we know how to circumvent patents, all that kind of stuff. What's the other one? We are the architecture of systematic innovation worldwide. Okay? Since the year 2000. So we've been going on for 3 years. And you understand in groups. Let's just put that. Right. Today's workshop, innovation, and as you say, at a startup, what we are doing is we are trying to solve problems. What are problems? The voice of the customer. How do you understand the voice of the customer? That is the key. Okay? So everything is about that. It's about the voice of the customer. And there's another thing called real voice of the customer, which is what I'm going to look at the real voice of the customer. Now, the customer bought this car, does not know how to ask for a car like that. But once they see that car, right, they want it. So how we can anticipate this design and how, if we can anticipate what the customer wants. So this whole workshop is going to be about that, right? Which is breakthrough thinking. Breakthrough is again another word for disruptive. Systematic innovation is based on the analysis of 3 million patents and the knowledge of other fields like psychology, sociology, biology, and all that. All that knowledge has been collected for the last 70 years. It is the biggest creative study ever done on this planet, and it is still going on. We are the only company in the world still analyzing patents and putting it into our database. What this database shows is all innovation, be technical, non-technical, business, non-business, all come to 40 inventive principles, the 40 strands.
I'm sorry, I have a question. Will the deck be shared later on, or is it? All right. So, these are the 40 inventive principles. That's it. All innovation comes down to that. Now, I gave a workshop to Diva in 2017 where I increased the creativity by just using that one tool of inventive problem solving 40 by 400%. They were shocked. And I got comments, now I know how to be creative. The first part of innovation is creative, coming up with ideas. How do you do that? It's the matter. I'm not going to go, this is not like a normal workshop, this is a 3-day workshop I do where I give case studies and all that. So I'm not going to do that because I just want to give you the gist of the thing. Okay? There may be 1 or 2 questions I asked, but I want it as interactive as possible. If there's any question, let's shout out. Let's look at this. Principle number 1 is segmentation. Okay, you segment the chair of the wheelchair, people can get out. This is a Chinese innovation just now. Wheelchair goes there, it goes into segments into 2, push it and close it at the back. Principle number right. This is principle number 2, take out. You take out things. So you have, you can't see it, that's really. Okay, so you have Marks and Spencer's who had a food stall inside. The fashion design was doing bad. They took out the food thing and put it all over UK. You got Kurt's weight training just for men. They took out the man. Cirque du Soleil, they took out the animals, right? Sanyo, with the first washing machine they uses no soap powder. Take out. Okay. Michelin, take out. The tube. See how principle number 2 applies? Is all take out. Next one is merging. This is a sugar cube. We can merge, different flavors for coffee. Mop merged by solution. Mobile phones, smartphones, the merging of technologies. Nanotechnology merging. Just merging. It's all merging. All right. Other way around. Over here we go to the bank, Grameen Bank. The bank comes to you. Over here we give collateral, they don't take collateral, other way around, right? You can apply to marketing. French Connection UK, just playing on the words. Yorkie, what we say, is a chocolate bar used in America by truckers. They put that sign over there, the sales went up the roof because women had started having it. Other way around, right? What's that? Ryanair, you don't charge the passenger, you charge the airport where you land. Other way around. You see how the principles are, this is business model, this is business model, this is market. Okay, same principles apply. This is other way around. We've got charging station. Korea is coming up with the idea with the road will charge the car. Instead of ships coming to the harbor goes to the ship. Other way around. Dynamization. This is what is it? Foldable shipping containers. Right. So it's all the same principle. So what happens is once I filter those 40 invented principles, it gives me the first principles of innovation. These are the innovation principles. Now, if you come up with an idea and a concept and all that, if it is backed by the first principle, that means your rationale is correct. You may not implement the thing, that's the secondary thing, but you've got the right rationale. So we will see how these first principles validates idea and validates concept, and that becomes your standard language in the company because everybody's talking the same language. People understand. So you can't say, "Oh, my idea is good. My idea is good. Or this is a good idea." Yeah, okay. Let's validate. This is how we do it. So that's the philosophy of creating systemizing. The philosophy, we go to method, we go to tools. We're not going to go to the tools, come some of them. Now, the other thing is, a lot of people are talking design thinking. My suggestion to you, if you bring in a design thinker, first of all, ask him what's the philosophy of design thinking is. If you can answer that question, then you hire him. Most of the design thinking people will talk about the method. That's it. That's the philosophy of design thinking. What we do is, that's the philosophy, that's the method. We bring systematic innovation tools into design thinking to provide a much better outcome. That's what we do. We integrate methods. Design thinkers can't do that. Okay? Okay, I want to ask you, what is disruption? Everybody's here in innovation, you're starting a company. So give me, what is your idea, what do you understand disruption is?
Change.
Okay? Deeper, I want to know that. Yes.
Solving a problem in a way that will actually make other companies that feel probably redundant.
Okay. Shortcut. Okay.
Doing the undoing.
All right.
Impacting whatever you're disrupting.
All right.
Creating entirely new markets.
Yeah.
Having a cultural change or a cultural shift in how the industry operated before and where you want to lead it.
Okay, cool. Fine. Now disruption is, that's disruption, right? Yeah, mainframe. Can you see the slides?
Yeah.
There's
Actually,
I think
we're
it's
seeing it
there.
on the laptop.
On the laptop.
didn't know it was
Can we move
closed.
the chairs on that side?
Probably, yeah.
Sorry?
Can
Yeah.
we actually move the chairs on
Yeah,
that
sure.
side?
Disruptive.
Is it-
Oops.
I think is there a way to cover the
No, they're all, do we want me to,
Some of the